Employment Guarantee Scheme, or the NREGS, completes 5 years this year. A week before the budget, Gopika Gopikumar travels to the interiors of Maharashtra to find out how the NREGS is being implemented.
Pandurni village in Nanded district in Maharashtra is in high spirits. It has won the award for best performance in implementing the Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme for 2009-10. Around 1,500 people from this village are registered under the scheme, and over 800 have benefited from it. Yashwant Suryavanshi is one of them. This owner of 2 hectares of agricultural land says water is not scarce anymore thanks to the well sunk under the NREGS scheme.
पहले से 3 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गया है उत्पादन. अभी 3 दिन सीजन लेते, मेथी निकालते, सब्जी मिर्ची निकालते, टमाटर सब पूरा सब्जी जो है जितना है उतना निकाल के हम मार्केट में ले जाके जाते हैं. 2-3 महीने में एक सीजन आता. पहले साल में एक ही जाता था. अभी 3 महीने के एक सीजन बोले तो 3 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ गया हमारा सीजन.
Pandurni is a rain-fed village which lies near the Maharashtra-AP-Karnataka border. Under NREGA, projects have been undertaken here that mainly address the problem of drought.
Nanded, which is a predominantly agricultural district, and the district was reeling under scarcity, NREGA proved to be a boon for the laborers, and that's how they could get through this scarcity period of 3 years, and that the NREGA protected them during the bad years also.
Pandurni has completed over 100 irrigation projects so far. The biggest of these is this rocky bund, which was built by nearly 200 villages, which has helped control soil erosion.
इसका मेन रीजन है कि वाटर जगह पे स्टॉप करना है. अगर वाटर जगह पे स्टॉप हो गया समझो ऑटोमेटिकली वाटर लेवल बढ़ेगा. वाटर लेवल बढ़ गया समझो तो आप देख रहे हैं समझो कि फार्मर का जो फसल है जो अभी ये तो पूरा फ्लैट एरिया था. हेक्टर पहले कुछ भी नहीं आता था, सिर्फ एक सीजन आता था. अभी इससे वाटर लेवल बढ़ने से फिर इधर पूरा वेजिटेबल का इरिगेटेड हो गया पूरा.
Officials say NREGA has even stopped the migration of laborers.
मैंने पहले जाते थे मगर ये 2-3 साल में कहीं नहीं गए. पहले जाके हमारा सभी पेट चलाने के लिए कहीं भी जाते थे. हैदराबाद जाते थे, पूना जाते, बॉम्बे जाते थे. वहाँ जो काम लगा वो काम करते थे. अभी इस 3 साल में कोई काम के लिए बम्बई नहीं गए, पूना नहीं गए, और ये काम से हम अच्छा सुकून से जिंदगी जी.
Other unemployment related problems have also been staved off.
जो माइग्रेशन के साथ ही हमारा जो स्कूल का ड्रॉपआउट्स का जो प्रमाण था वो भी कम हो गए. गांव में जो मनी लेंडर का प्रॉब्लम था, जो इशू था, वो मनी लेंडर का इशू भी कम हो गया है.
Plays a crucial role in effective implementation of many of these schemes.
Whenever there are complaints, our district vigilance and monitoring committee, which is comprised of engineers, team of engineers and other persons, when they visit the works, first of all they try to conduct a social audit in the village. If there are some engineers who are not doing the inspections, we have taken actions against them. It has been found that some engineer never visited the works and blindly signed for the inspections. He has been suspended.
Despite these claims, doubts of fund seepage still persist. The state has yet to make an analysis of how much benefit the NREGA scheme delivers and at what cost per capita.
Pandurni is the first village in Maharashtra that became prominent on the map of NREGA. But one needs to see whether this kind of work is sustainable going forward and whether NREGA can actually help more people, not just in this village, but the entire state of Maharashtra out of poverty. In Pandurni, with camera person Bharat, Gopika Gopikumar.
Ground report from Maharashtra. But coming up next on India Business Hour, Dubai-based DP World is here.